What is up, you magnificent sons of bitches? It is your beacon of hope, Reverend Conflict, aka Country Biscuit. I'm not dead. Are you surprised? A lot of you subscribe to my channel even though I've been gone for the last 3 months. I appreciate that. So obviously that means something I put out in the past had content worthy of watching and subscribing to. So kudos to that. But how the hell are you in 2020? Are you off to a good start? Man, let me tell you. I'm gonna play catch up real quick. This is just a quick video saying hi, I'm still alive, I'm back. I'm gonna try to be more consistent and just update you on where I'm at business model wise. So off the bat, if you don't know, I own a pest control company, and this is my 3rd year in business. And this year, 2019, that is, was pretty good. Kept me a lot busier than the previous 2 years, which means growth, which means that I'm going in the right direction. Still the only 5-star Yelp in my area, so kudos to myself. There we go. A little self-love never hurt anybody. Weirdo. I'm not talking about that kind of self-love. Gross. Anyway, so, and then eBay. I kind of fell off on Amazon, I'm not going to lie. But I'm back doing guitars. It's just bread and butter, so easy, picking them up. Straying away from a lot of BS. And then as far as my eBay, I ramped it up pretty hard in the shoe department, used shoes. And I also been attacking Poshmark pretty rapidly. Mercari kind of sucks, so I'll throw some stuff up there if I've had no traction on eBay or Posh. But Mercari is just kind of just not my thing. Now I know a lot of people do well on it, but Poshmark was really well for the last 4 months of 2019, and then eBay was just consistently crushing it. And then now eBay has started changing the game on the shoe world with free listing for over $100 a pair of shoes. So I think a lot more shoe sales are gonna happen in 2020 on eBay. I am stuck in Chick-fil-A traffic. I don't eat at Chick-fil-A, but the drive-through line is onto the fucking feeder road because all of you are horrible people and you don't support equality, you chicken-eating sons of bitches. Sorry, sidetracked. But moving into 2020, I wanted to let you guys know what my goals are. I am going about 80% into shoes. I did so well in the last quarter doing shoes that I've ramped it up, and now that's going to be about 80% of my reselling business. The other 20%, I'm going to consistently stick to vintage, but I'm going to do more selective vintage as far as what I am picking to resell. Last year, vintage kind of blew up, and anything that was vintage I was snagging because I was getting it so cheap. And what happened was, and what still has happened, is now I have about 5 tubs, probably about 300 pieces of clothing that are vintage. And I'm just gonna toss, not toss like throw away, but I'm just gonna do lot sales or go to the local resale shops here that sell vintage and see if I can do like some cash outs where they'll buy like, you know, $3 to $5 t-shirts, and I just move all this stuff. I'm gonna go down, I have 3 racks right now, clothing racks. I'm gonna go down to 1 rack, and that's about it. So I'm gonna keep my vintage clothing pretty low. I'm gonna get away from doing polos and all that other stuff that I was doing last year, and just concentrate really on quality pre-owned shoes. I might dabble in some resale arbitrage on some shoes with some Nike outlet and stuff like that, but that's it. I'm gonna keep my focus on shoes, selected vintage, and I'm gonna keep growing this pest control business. But don't think that you won't catch me in dumpsters. Don't think that you won't catch me at garage sales, and don't think that you won't catch me at the bins, because we now have 3 locations in Houston. One of them's right by my house, and I'll be doing some more bin videos because the bins are crazy. I told some people that instead of doing like a bum fights YouTube channel, I was gonna do bin fights and just post that shit. But anyway, just wanted to say what's up. Shout out to everybody that's subscribed, like, share, and all that good stuff. And let's keep it going into 2020. If you got questions, if you're new to reselling, if you're new to my channel, I'm a maniac. Yeah, let's get grinding. Dose. Don't smoke crack.